Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What did he do?
He drove into him.
Is that on thing? If you give us your email, we got everything on the dash cam for you if you want it.
Yeah, let me, hold on. I'll just write down, you could just email me or whatever, I don't know. Hold on.
How did he get so into fantasy football?
Travel and fantasy football tips.
That's what he thinks about when he's traveling the world, is fantasy football.
The thing is as I'm listening to him at our very extensive interactive interview that we did with him there, I can see the visuals that he's talking about.
Oh, yeah.
You just see his
Painted
show.
them for us. Absolutely. All right, it's 8:45 on the ticket. We have must-watch sports television tonight that we'll talk about next.
If you've got an insurance question, you could talk to a park ranger, but the only quotes they'd probably give you would be a
Oh my god!
Christ, mate.
Did you see that? Careful, here it comes.
Uh-huh.
You don't see us coming, you idiot.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. You f***ing moron. Signals would work. What are you doing, you dumbass? Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Forward and migrates to the front of my leg, and that's not what I want.
I mean, it's kind of like Merlin's jeans where you get like the outline of the phone. Where you
Whoa! What the f, dude? The phone doesn't like
get like the outline of the phone. Where you
Whoa! What the f, dude? The phone doesn't like migrate over to the front of my leg as I'm walking, and that both looks and feels bad.
Where is it going? In jeans pants? It's migrating? I've never had this problem.
When I insert the phone into the pocket, I try to basically align it onto like the side of my leg, like the outer edge of my leg. But then as I walk, it like scoots forward and migrates to the front of my leg, and that's not what I want.
I mean,
it's all probably going to be great. You know, even Bernie Sanders is in favor of a closed border. He's in favor of a closed border because he made the perfectly plausible and rational argument that
God damn, Jesus! Be careful, lady.
Yeah, just noticed, witnessed a hit and run. The guy is